Okay, what's good, you guys? I'm doing a quick video. Unexpectedly, I'm at a new place called Maddies Drive Inn. It was Aaliyah's seafood, but now it's a Maddies Drive Inn. It's across from a school. Where is it located? I actually bought two things. I bought a chili cheeseburger, and I bought boudin leek sweet tea in a catfish basket box. It's Maddies Drive Inn. It's on, say Humble, Texas, but it's 14010 Homestead Road, Humble, Texas. I paid $16.65 for the catfish basket fried with the sweet tea and the boudin leeks. I guess she didn't charge me for the bread pudding. I wanted the bread pudding. But then I got the chili cheeseburger. She didn't charge me for the bread pudding. Okay, I'm gonna need to talk about that because I need my pudding, girl. I mean, y'all got these little purple and gold with the Louisiana Saint little logo. So I'm expect y'all to come with and come through. What's good? I'm gonna put y'all right here. This is weird. Okay. I'm gonna do like a couple bites for these, cause yeah. What airplane is that? I have no clue. Nah, that's not Emirates. It got a red tip though. Let me ask her, why she ain't charging for this bread pudding? Cause your girl hungry. Your girl ain't had no breakfast today. Baby, what's the first one? This tea kind of tastes different. I don't know why. Got a different tang to it. I like it. Your girl ain't had no breakfast. Your girl ain't had no lunch. Your girl barely had dinner last night. Your girl ain't had even a sip of water. Girl been on the move, hustling, trying to get baskets, chicken fried steak, hamburger steak with gravy, grilled chicken, catfish basket, shrimp basket. The shrimps is $6, $9, $12. Pork chop baskets. And then they have a gyro Cajun basket with a salad and Cajun pasta with toast. I asked for the pasta. They didn't have the pasta. When she said they didn't have pasta, my heart to drop. Drop. They have boiled seafood, snow crab, crawfish, and shrimp. Add-ons. Oh, hit a burger.
Thank you.
Thank you, you too. Okay. Let me go ahead and get into a nice little spot in the park. Okay. Because your girl about to cut up and show out. Him. Oh, throw baby on. Now I'm gonna still read the rest of y'all. Chicken tenders, boudin links. Homegirl got a boudin link. And they have wings 612 to 16. They have barbecue chopped beef, chili, grilled chicken, and loaded baked potatoes. So they have baked potatoes, barbecue chopped beef, chili, baked potato, grilled chicken, baked potato, and a loaded baked potato. They have breakfast items. They have breakfast tacos, bacon sausage, chorizo, cheese, egg and potato, chicken and waffles, bagels, cream cheese, croissants, biscuits, and waffles. And they have add-ons like oatmeal, hash browns, eggs, all that good stuff. They have coffee. Yeah, they have hot chocolate. They have coffee. They have cappuccino. That's what I was talking about. Pistachio, chai vanilla, toffee coffee, caramel latte, white chocolate, mocha. They have dessert. Muffins, cookies, pecan, Paroline candy, Paroline bread pudding, banana split sundaes, root beer floats, ice cream waffle sandwiches, waffle cones, ice cream waffle cones, and ice cream cake cones, french fries, onion rings, sweet potato fries, fried okra, potato salads, green beans, corn mac checks. That's what I got. Oh yeah, I got the corn mac checks. I don't know what that is. Mashed potatoes and salads, and they have regular soft drinks and smoothies. They have smoothies. You get 2 flavors: strawberry, mango, blueberry, raspberry, peach, banana, Oreo, mocha, and pineapple. Then you have additives. You could get ginseng, lethicine, ginger, echina, ginkgo, bee pollen, wheat germ, whey protein, and soy protein. I like it. And this is what it looks like. And this is the bag. Free promo. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna come back and then boom, we're gonna be ready. We in. I got my phone positioned on my steering wheel, real funny. But sweet tea on deck. I'm gonna just eat a little bit. This is that lovely. This is burgers. Is like chili cheese. Chili. Ooh, it's sloppy. Just the way I like it. Look. That's a chili cheeseburger. I hate it. I hate it as in I love it, and I hate it because I'm about to kill it. So when I say I hate it, like that means I actually love it. Like I'm just like scared. Like I hate how y'all make this. Like I'm scared. Please, let me be able to eat this whole sandwich. I like it's like my eyes are bigger than my body right now, girl. Look at this sloppy shit. Look at this. Look at it. Open your mouth. Hold on. Let me get a napkin. Baby. They done messed up. Girl. Girl, that shit good. Hold up. Boudin link. Crackers. Oh, that burger! Oh, it's nice and hot. Woo, child. Look at her. Oh. I'm trying to get y'all a look without making it fall. Y'all see that? That's what we working with. She already got some out right here. Okay, that's good. This tastes pretty good. But my boudin I'm used to have rice in it. This ain't got rice. It's just like meat. It tastes good. It don't have rice in it though. That's my only thing with the boudin. That's good though. It ain't too hot. You know. Get it though. I'm gonna go back to that burger yard now, but I'm trying to show y'all the real deal. Everything in between. And this is a catfish basket, plate, whatever you want to call it. Oh, it's just corn. It's just corn, catfish. That's it. I got ketchup in my thing right here. Every time I be going to Chick-fil-A, got my ketchup. I like their fries. Let's get into this. The first bite. She gave me ketchup anyway, in silverware. Oh, I hope you stay. My phone. It's like off, like I didn't expect to record. No cap, did not expect this. I was like, oh, I'm over here. Let me go see what they're talking about. Because I was passing by. About to go into hopefully nobody called my phone. Let me try this corn. It's just regular corn. They've got a French name on it. It's regular corn. Catfish, A1. Like, A1. Perfectly crisp. Look how perfect, it's so pretty. Pretty. This is a pretty boy. Pretty boy fish. Okay. After with it. I'm eyeing that burger. Let me go back to my true color. I'm gonna sip this tea. Baby. Baby, 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 baby. Now landing on the track. Baby, 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 baby. That's so nasty. We're talking about this right here. This nasty. Fuck! Damn! God, you know what? And you know what? They have a sign. They said the best burgers and best po' boys. You know what I mean? I thought they was bluffing. I thought they was big cap. I was about to say big cap shit. Shit. Oh, baby. Homemade. This is a homemade. This is a homemade. Little mom and pop looking shop. I don't know if they black owned. And they got Philly cheesesteaks and gumbo. I think they are. I'm not sure. They should be. His name is Maddie's, so I should have asked. They had a black girl checking me out, but you know they got Cajun people, so Cajun people be all they have white Cajuns, so who knows, they probably is. They were across from this school. I got the name of it. Something Johnson. I don't know the name of it. But it's a new school. Some middle school. I will be coming back here. Period. Big period. Let me get some napkins so I go to my burger. I got water in my back seat. Fill that baby back up. Look at this sloppy shit. Look at this shit. This is a goddamn shame. Diamond. Look at that. I hit it from the back like that. She said her favorite is the bacon cheeseburger. My favorite is that chili. Ha ha. Only thing they should have is milkshakes. They have milkshakes. I'm out the door. They have milkshakes. Some good ones too. Homemade milkshakes. Malts. Actually, I love me some malts. It gotta be like Dairy Queen, but better. Baby. I might as well just head right to the gym after I eat it. Cuz gonna be like, damn, girl, you gained all that weight. Don't blame me, blame Maddie's. I know it's traffic on the freeway. So I might as well sit here and get some gas. Open up some ketchup. That burger is mighty good. They was not cap. You know, I be calling them big cap. I don't know how I feel about that big cap. That was not cap. I seen something I ain't like. You don't play it right. Bonnie! My buddy texted me. I'm tired of eating, y'all. This fish is good. Fish, burger, fries, corn. All A+. The boudin, it's good. I was just expecting rice in it. It's like I expect rice in my boudin, which is kind of weird. Maybe I need a, I don't know. I give it like a B-. Cause the boudin tastes good, but I was expecting rice. I'm used to seeing rice. Maybe not all boudin have rice in it. I gotta be wrong. But the fries good as hell. Yeah, they packed. Okay, so they get a lot of people over here. We got smoothies, got healthy stuff. Better have a smoothie. Eating all this this bad stuff, I'm gonna need a smoothie. So I can feel a little bit more healthy. You feel me? I don't want to feel too bad. Okay, let's do your life over here. I don't really travel this route. I'm getting tired. I am tired. I ain't getting tired. Looks like a pretty chair. I'm looking at my new room. Yes, let's talk about that. Your girl been working silently on the low. Doing manifesting. It's a new thing called scripting, which ain't even new, but scripting been around. I like that. Scripting is like basically writing down what you want to happen in your life as if it's already happening. So like if you say like it's like, I mean, they say it's better to write in pencil versus pen. That's what I heard. But let's say, instead of saying, I want to win the lottery jackpot, you should say, I've already won a lottery jackpot. So we're going to say it together. I already won a lottery jackpot, period. I'm a multi-millionaire. Boom. That's what scripting is like. Yeah. Oh, I see that. I don't know why, but I eat better and more when I'm on camera. I don't know. I got the little stand where you put in your steering wheel to eat your food. It don't work. Well, I think it do work, but I have a steering wheel cover, so. Okay, this is good. A1. Alright, the burger A+, the catfish basket, that catfish. Yes. A+, that chili cheeseburger is the devil in the flesh. Is the devil in the flesh. Whoa. That's the devil in the flesh. Boudin. I gave it a B- because I expected rice. It tasted good, but it was different. I mean, I wouldn't say a B+. It was good. I was just like, what? Where's the rice? Kind of. Now, let me know, do all boudins have rice in it? Because I could be wrong. I don't know. But that's the video, you guys. I hope you like it. I know it's unexpected, but thumbs it up. Like and subscribe, bro. And I'm going to see you again on the next video.